Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be getting Blast Star and Prodigy. This is going to be my first mythical epic that I've gotten without hacking, because I just got membership. I know I'm a little late, but I got it like a week ago, so let's get into the video. Okay, so here we are, and we see that Blast Star is complete. We have not yet gotten him. We have two more that we can trade. We are going to go ahead and trade the energy cells first. So let's trade that. We go to Bonfire Spire. I thought they would all be in whatever town that's called. Oh, because no, Ola's over here. We have to go to Ola and then she'll give us the clue and then... Okay, so let's talk to Ola. Yes, I see. Oh, sorry about that. According to this calculation, we're close to figuring out their location. It looks like you've collected some curious things. Excellent work. Now, what did you bring? I brought energy cells, and no, you can only put one. So let's track the mythical epic. Goodbye, young wizard. If you find some more clues, then next time we meet, I'll use them to locate the epic you seek. So let's go and find Blast Star. So we'll track it, and that should lead us to... Not sure why it said I clicked on Shipwreck Shore. Yeah, I clicked on Skywatch. Okay, so what direction? I don't see any sparkles. So after looking around a little bit, I figured out that, or I watched a video, it is actually up here. Not sure why there isn't any sparkles pointing to what way it is, but we are going to have to okay, there it is. So we are going to try and do a pet skip right here. I don't think you can. Let's see. Okay, we can do a pet skip right there. Or a battle skip, and let's battle this. Okay, so we have finished that battle, and let's go up here to get our second battle done for getting Blast Star. So we have already completed the first one, as you can see. Now we are doing the second one. I might have to take or eat an apple or something, because otherwise we probably won't survive. But let's see if we can. Okay, so 4,133, 1,553. So we might be able to get past this without having to eat any food. But we'll just have to see. Okay, so we do 4,125. We are about one half of the way to finishing it, and good thing Blast Star missed. We only have 4 turns left, meaning that we are going to have to... We are going to have to get these all right, but I don't expect to get them wrong. Okay, so we need to just get 2 questions right. Because once you get the full thing, you have to answer another one to get it. So that's 9 cows, take away 4. Couldn't be 4, take away 9. So we do 4,151, and all we have to do is just get a question right. I'm going to eat a cake so that my health goes up for next battle and it misses. And we have 1 battle turn left, so we have to get this one right. We did, and we are going to win the second battle. There we go, we won 4,172 damage, and Blast Star flies away. So we are going to be doing 1 more battle to get Blast Star, which is going to be very cool. And we are very close to also leveling up Gatorade. So here we go on to the final trade, which is Metal Flowers. Let's go trade it. I could open this up, but I don't have any reason to, because I don't think I'm trying to get any mythical epics that have anything there. So we will track the mythical epic. Goodbye, young wizard. Okay. And let's press track. And we will go to Skywatch. Why does it bring me to Shipwreck Shore? Every time I press on Skywatch, it brings up Shipwreck Shore. Okay, that time it didn't, at least. Bruh. Am I gonna have to retrack Blastar? Info. Track. No, it better not. Okay, it didn't press on Shipwreck Shore that time. Or I did press on Shipwreck Shore by accident. And there are no sparkles again, so that's neat. Okay, I'm not gonna check there yet. How about up here? Okay, it is coming up from up there. We are just going to have to make our way around these. And there is the final one, Blastar. Okay. So we only have 5 battle turns this time, and we can't use an all-out attack. We'll use Falling Star Smash. That's 12, take away 4 pigs. And we do 4,188, which isn't a lot. And we can't really put on a critical chance up. We could use a Mythical Epic attack, maybe? I'm not sure if those work here. I'm so smart. Hopefully Mythical Epic attacks work here. They do, okay. So that is 9, take away 3. I got it right. I need to look at the questions before answering them. Oh, we're not gonna win this. I don't know what happens if you lose it, because I was just being super dumb. 14, take away 4. Okay, we're not going to win this. Yep, I'm stupid. So that's 1,560. Let's use Falling Star Smash. Take away 4. Let's see how many that is. So it is 16 lions. We got the question right. And we probably aren't going to win. Yeah. Okay. And then Newt's going to be a little annoying. Looks like you didn't tame the Mythical Epic in time and it has run away. You should find it again and tame it. I know where it is, though. Better not press on Shipwreck Shore. Okay. Go tame. It's up. Oh no, it's down here this time. Okay, it's over there. We can skip this box in the bottom left, which is good. Okay, so we took out Squawks with an all-out attack. And I'm pretty sure Gator Rain is going to... No, it evolves at 23. So our health should not be a problem at all in this last battle. Let's go ahead. I'm going to put on an Ice Relic because... No, that's a... I'm going to put on an Ice Relic so that we have a better shot at doing this. Oh no, we only have to answer one more question. So that should be 14, take away 3. So we got the question right, and that means that we got Blastar. So here we go. We use this, and it's going to do 4,571. But we got Blastar, which will be my first Mythical Epic that I have ever gotten without hacks. Because I do have Mag Mayhem, but I accidentally put all the pets on I accidentally pressed give all Mythical Epics thinking that I was on my hacked account, which wasn't very fun. Okay, so there we go. We got Legendary Blastar. The yellow means that it's legendary. This is going to be cool. Yep, follow me. And add to team. we will replace it with that. So there's going to be a tamed mythical epics. So I can get Nebula and Aquadial, which I'm not going to do for today. Actually, I probably will do it for today, but I'm not going to do it on camera. That's going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.